Welcome back to Stss. In the last part, we were looking at return to store and requisition. In this video, we will be looking at shipping and data calculator. Let us start with shipping. Sometimes the client is not in the same geographical location as you, the manager. Sometimes they may be in another town or city, and you need to ship the items to them. You use this shipping panel to prepare documentation for shipping. On this panel, you can prepare the waybill and you can prepare the delivery note. Let us start with the waybill. You prepare a new waybill by entering the date and assigning a waybill number and the name of the shipper and the client to which you are sending the item. Sometimes it may be also to a supplier because the items are being returned. So you will fill in the supplier's details here rather than the client's details. And then you put in the mode of transport. Let us say it is by road. And the charge for freight, maybe the freight company is charging 1,000, and the expected date of departure and the expected date of arrival at the client's place, and the vehicle number that is being used. And then once that is done, you go to build the delivery note, and this is the way the delivery note is being built. And you fill in the quantity which you are sending and the price. The reason why we have the price here is because shipping may involve insurance, and insurance want to know the amount of money they are covering. So you will have the total amount here, and the insurance can see that this is the extent of their risk. And having done that, we save. So here in this panel, it is possible to print the waybill number, the waybill and the delivery note, but we will not be printing them in this panel because there's going to be a video dedicated especially to printing of reports. Thank you. That is about shipping. Now I will go to data calculator. You remember when we were in stock, in current stock, that there were some data that I promised I will show you how they were calculated. Now we are in data calculator, which is where the data is calculated. And the way the data calculator works is that it requires some historical data. In actual fact, 3 historical data, that is annual demand, lead time in days, and maximum daily demand. When we say historical data, we mean data that we have seen in the time past. The system needs that data to calculate the rest of these data which are here. And the way it does it is like this. Let us do one. Let us assume we want to calculate the data for HP 234. Then what we need to do is to enter the annual demand that we know for this product. Let us say it is 200, and that will help the system to calculate the average daily demand. And we also need to fill in the lead time in days. Let us say the lead time in days is 20 days. We also need to fill in the maximum daily demand that we have ever had. Let us say the maximum we've ever used in a day is 0.7. And once we've done that, the rest of the data will be calculated by the system for us. Now we might have had a previous set of data for this product in the past. Now we can update that by clicking update selected, and that the system will update only the data for HP 234 in cartridge in current stock. But if we want to do this exercise for the entire products that we have in store, then we use this button, update all, and that is how data comes into current stock. Thank you. When we come back, we will be looking at barcoding. Have a nice day. Thank you.